Okay guys, so if you're searching for make money online through ChatGPT, I am here to give you some tutorials that how you are going to get most out of it, because this AI tool is a revolutionary tool. You have to accept this reality that this is one of the upcoming, you can say, most demanding tool, and you have to redeem, you can say, your value as soon as possible, because when the more people come in, the chances are that you will get less, you can say, opportunity. So in this, you can say, video, I'm going to tell you what are the 6 powerful ways to make money online through ChatGPT. Okay, so number one is that generate content of the website. Okay, so for example, here I'm in the ChatGPT. For example, if my, you can say, website is related to, let's suppose, health website, or my website is, let's suppose, sports, boxing gloves, sports. Okay, so you can say there are two portions in the e-commerce, as you know, that one is the e-commerce, the second portion is a blog. So first of all, you have to enter this one here, mean that the content, mean that you boxing glove store gave me ideas, 20 ideas to write posts on. Okay, so these are the, you can say, 20 ideas that ChatGPT is going for you to give you. Okay, so here the catch is that you have to sell this service. Okay, you just need to don't need to go anywhere. You have to use 3 websites. One is Fiverr, the second one is Upwork, the third one is Freelancer. Okay, so in Fiverr you have to enter the, you can say, services for the blog post ideas, and then you will make the gig and give them your client that I'm going to provide you 10 best money making 10 ideas related to your blogs. Okay, so you will then use this tool and get so here, this is the first, you can say, this is the first tip, okay, that I basically use for you. So you will get an idea that why I basically, okay, so copy here. Okay, so these are the 10 ideas. Now the second, you can say, most important element is that you can earn the money through social media posts. Mean that if, let's suppose, let me give you one real case study. If you are going for right now boxing glove sports, okay, so if you sell the social media service to that company, it is very easy for you. You just need to tell them that I'm going to give you the social media post, okay, about the, so you just need this tool again. Okay, you don't need to go anywhere. You can say social media post, give me 50 social media posts related boxing gloves. So again, your question is where you have to, you can say, use these, you can say, services. Again, this tool is, you can say, do the rest of your task. Okay, you again use the same, you can say, because it's an enterprise edition. You just need to think outside the box in order to earn money, because most of the people are struggling to get the most out of it. Once you can say, pitch your client in the Fiverr or Upwork, you will get them these, you can say, offers as well. That in first of all, I will publish the content for you. Then I will do the social media marketing, because you work with them as an agency, because you can tell them I have the people that will do this for. So look at this one. Mean that this is all the automation. Okay, so this one it's keep writing. So I'm just stopping, you can say, right now for covering the, you can say, remaining point. Okay, so this is the, you can say, social media part that basically cover again for that same company. Okay, it will eventually write. Now the third important element is that you can offer the same client if they are e-commerce or not. If they are e-commerce, then you can say you can write the product description, write product description about boxing gloves. Okay, so this one here you can say these are the, you can say, the third part, you can say, because it's a huge, you can say, when we say, if you, even if your client is not, you can say, the e-commerce, then you can provide their service. For example, if it is related to taxi services, if it is related to solicitor, lawyers, or whatever, this bot is working the remaining part of for you. So you can give them this option, mean that at the same time you basically provide them a three, you can say, big offers. Okay, so right now if I copy this one for you, so okay, now again, as a part of social media, you can generate a script for videos and content. Basically, the purpose is that I use boxing gloves as an example, is that you basically think out and this is one example. You can generate a lot more example than you expect. So you can write like generate script of video, audio content for boxing gloves. Okay, boxing gloves. Now this tool will, you can say, video script, you can say video script, it basically tell you that in video what are the key elements you have to input, mean that this is what you have to think, mean that nobody else will ever provide you such a detailed information that how you are going to, you can say, use the video script properly. Okay, so now in the visual voiceover, they basically give you each and everything, that what is the voiceover, what is the visual, what is the voiceover, what is the intro, mean the end of the, now it also write for the audio script for wearing the boxing gloves. Okay, mean that here you have to think outside the box. This is one idea. You can create more content and more, you can say, not a boxing glove, you can write like write the audio script for light boxing gloves or heavy boxing gloves, or you can say kids boxing gloves, or you can say for adult boxing, or male boxing glove, or female boxing. So this, you can say, cover, you can say, the overall, you can say video script for you can say your, you can say, now again it's you can say one client, so it's not applicable to e-commerce, but it also applicable for, you can say, non-e-commerce people as well. Now keyword research. Okay, so this is, you can say, the keyword research is that if you don't have the idea that what you can say keyword research, give me 10 keyword, give me 20 easy to rank keywords related boxing gloves. So this is the, you can say, mean that these are the, you can say, keyword that already, you can say, now you can further drill down this keyword as per, you can say, your, you can say, need, that if you think that these keywords are different, so you can further, you can say, use this keyword as a baseline and make the 10 you can say more easy to rank, and you can multiply these keywords process through this chatbot. Okay, so this is again, you can say, and now the bonus tip is that this essay writing services, because this is the overall, you can say, that how you are going to pitch the overall, you can say, 5, you can say, base. Now the sixth one is the write essay services, because this field is so in demand that most, you can say, people are searching for it. So what you have to do, you have to go to, you can say, the main, you can say, essay, you can say, component. What are the essay component? Introduction, body, and you can say conclusion. So here this board will, you can say, and in fact, if I write on, let's suppose if I write on make money online, make money, write essay on, write intro about make money essay. Okay, so let me see. Now this basically, you can say, writing the intro part of you. So this basically give you some more, you can say, more than what you think, that because it's a money making, you can say, way that how you are going to give your, you can say, client, and even you can create a website related to this one. So this basically give you all the, you can say, intro, and same goes for, you can say, you just need to enter body and then the conclusion. I mean that you have to write the body part of this make money online essay. Okay, so it basically the chat will start, you can say, writing, and then the conclusion, and then you will check the from the copyscape if the article is most probably 99% of the time the article is, you can say, copyscape proof. But if anything, so you can use the article rewriter as a free tool from the Google, and then you can make the light more changes. So these are the, you can say, 6 more, you can say, powerful ways that how you are going to make money on the ChatGPT. So hopefully you like our video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will come up with more ideas for you, so you can easily, you can say, use these, you can say, services without any hassle and make a bunch of dollars in no time. Thank you and keep watching.